This is an absolutely stunning book. And I am an idiot. I am gullible, and I am an idiot. I've mentioned before that there are 4 artists. Throughout all of time, there are 4 artists that have just inspired me. There's Rembrandt, there's Van Gogh, and Leonardo da Vinci. Alright, so I've been collecting things on those artists. So it was Leonardo da Vinci's turn. And I wanted something kind of cheap because, you know, I'm on a budget. I'm buying other things. I can't keep doing this. So I looked around and I found a really nice thing, this book on Amazon. Short story shorter. I went to this site. I saw that this was the book that I wanted. And it had 3 formats. It had a hardbound, it had a paperback, and it had a Kindle. And since, you know, hey, the paperback's pretty cheap, so I went ahead and got that. Well, it turns out these 3 books are not the same book. They are 3 totally different things, other than the fact that they are all the subject is Leonardo. Other than that, totally different products. So after being severely disappointed in the paperback, I did go back and get the hardback. But I was very disappointed in the paperback. Not what I wanted. Now, here's the book that I actually wanted. But at this point, I was wondering, it may have been the book that I wanted, but did I get the book that I wanted? Does that make sense? Well, alright, here we are opening it, and let's check out this really cool book. Let's see if this is what I actually wanted to buy. Good paper, glossy, clearance house forward, that's good. Something on pretty much every page. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Leonardo da Vinci. Good book. Study of Dragons. Nice horse. That is detailed. I have seen this picture before, and I hadn't realized that it was one of Leonardo's. That is one of my favorite pictures. I think he actually had a baby. Can you imagine being able to think of all these things and then be able to draw it, to be able to see inside it? Middle point on blue prepared paper. Yeah. This is really nice. And a fair price. Magnificent horses. Just wow. Every single page has something just that you can study. Just wow. Look at that. Look at that. He did like the back end of horses. I'm sure Sigmund Freud had something to say about that. All right. Well, okay. This is worth the price of admission. This is a good book. I am going to be going through it page by page and very slowly. Yeah. Love it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.